Hey, hi. So today I'm going to review a platform called Pixverse. Pixverse is an AI, and you can generate videos as I've done. You can generate pictures, and we're going to see how cool it is. What makes it better than some other AI videos out there, other AI, tools out there, and we're going to see how you can use it. We're going to try to do something with it in this video. Okay. Now, first of all, me personally, I've been using AI. I use different apps. I use Gemini. I use Google Flow. I use Halil, and I actually have even a premium with Halil, by the way. And I've done a lot of videos, and I've used some of these videos to actually grow TikTok accounts within a short time. And I even have a video which actually recently made 50,000 in just actually 2 days, and all of this is using AI. So definitely you really need AI to do some stuff around. Okay. Now the first thing which I realized Pixverse it's good at is you can generate a longer video with Pixverse. Now, for example, in Allele, I love Allele, but in Allele I can generate up to like I think 6 seconds. Okay, 6 seconds, and even if actually you pay, actually this is I'm using the premium one. I can generate after like 6 seconds. Okay, yet actually this having the free version, and I've actually generated this video, and this video can even actually it's something like 8 seconds. I got this from a picture like this, and the picture is also an AI, by the way. So I kind of did a video like this. Okay, though it didn't come out as I wanted. I wanted actually the cake to eat the birthday girl, and something like that. You just have to rectify that prompts and all that stuff. But the cool thing about Pixverse is it gives you longer videos. And when I checked when I just came here on Pixverse, I realized actually, let me try to load it and you see. I realized you can, some of the videos which were currently created, I could see like some of them were like 12 seconds. Okay, some of them were like 12 seconds, and I was like, wow. Okay, because this is like 10 seconds. There's one which I saw and it was 12 seconds. Okay, so this is the reason why 9 seconds, something like that. So it's kind of actually cool because you can create longer videos. Now I'm using the free version, and this is like actually 8 seconds, and it's kind of free. Okay, I think it doesn't even have the slogan for Pixverse. I think they give you even a video without even I don't see anything. So something cool. They're really really good. And also when you're using Pixverse, you can actually generate. Sorry, so this is Pixverse. Sorry, I keep on actually changing my windows. So with Pixverse, you can generate sounds. Okay, you can see an auto sound here. I say sound of eating a cake. You can generate an auto sound. Okay, you can put this on, then you describe. You can actually even generate, you can activate the auto speech, enter the characters lines like hello everyone, I love you. So it can actually, the voice can be within there. Okay, auto, you can select actually, let it be the voice of Liam, Jack. You can use using a baby girl. You can use actually, lots of, you can use the elderly. You can use, voice of a young baby and all that stuff. Okay, so it's kind of really cool and something which is not really actually available in other AIs. So if you're kind of a person who is trying to check out AIs that you can really do videos for you, I believe Pixverse is one of them. Now, when it comes to me, I use several ones. I use Google Flow, I use Halel, and I think Pixverse, since I've found that it can really do good stuff, it's going to be on my list because in some of the AIs, I have to actually plan to put the sound effects, all of that stuff. It's something which is actually lacking in Halel. I love Halel. All my videos on TikTok are made actually using Halel. Lots of them, and some of them actually have cool effects. Let me show you
Don't be
this.
afraid. Stand your ground.
Okay, I think
and
let
you
me
will
do
see
in
what the Lord will do to
okay.
save you today.
This was done by Halil,
Moses
but
held
I
out his
kind of
hand
have
over the sea,
to
and the Lord
use a
drove the sea
voice
back with a
from
strong east
another
wind.
application to kind of actually
And the
come up with
Israelites
something like
went through
this.
the sea.
Okay, so when it comes to Pixverse, you can try to have everything done in one place. Let me try to select something. Let's try to work on an image. Maybe let me put this lady. This is an AI generated lady picture. Let me try to say let her pick up cassava. She's in a garden, so I'm trying to say maybe later pick up cassava. Later pick up cassava. Let's see, and eat it. Later pick up cassava and eat it. I'm just doing something, whatever it's. Later pick up cassava and eat it, and then smile. Okay, let's see it. So I'll give it a picture. I can try to say, let it be 5 seconds, let it be 8 seconds. I'm going to say, I think I can do like 720p resolution because I see you have to be with more credits. So let me stop at 540. Sound, let me really leave it everything there. Okay, so let me try to create this. Okay, auto speech is empty. So let me try to deactivate because the moment you activate them, you have to put something. So let me just create. Okay. Okay, I think actually it's done. All right. Okay. So you can pay them using Stripe. You can pay them using PayPal. You can pay them using Alipay. And this is like something like $7. You get 1,200 credits, watermark free, and all that stuff. I think this is kind of good, and it's actually 28% off. This is actually per year. Per month, you can pay like $10. Okay, something like that. Okay. So I think I won't be able to generate this because all right, let me just say I'm remaining with $10. So I wanted to see what I can do with $10. This is 20. So the more resolution that you pick, the more actually they charge you. So I think the first video that I made really actually took a lot of my, all that stuff. Anyway, so generally this is Pixverse. It's really cool. There's even sound section. There's a lot of things that you have to actually just get time and venture yourself. There is speech, there is character. I haven't really tried out the character. Start creating your first character. You can really do something here. I'm looking for something which I can do with maybe the $10 that I'm remaining with. I think the character. How much do they charge for character? Okay, all right. Anyway, you figure out this stuff yourself. So generally you can create longer videos with Pixverse, unlike some other AI videos. Price is actually fair. If I tell you how much I'm paying for others, you'll be surprised. Price is really fair. I don't have a problem with that. And you can actually even also select the video ratio. This is for mobile. This is for computer. There's a camera. You can actually even select some effects, what you want. Dolly zoom. So that would be the effect that will be on the video. Zoom in, something like that. It's really kind of cool. I've realized it has a lot of settings, and I believe it can really help you create a very good video. Okay, now for some of you who are interested in videos about AI, subscribe on my YouTube channel because I do use AI for a lot of stuff, including some videos on my YouTube channel. I'm using AI in some of these videos. Okay, AI really actually is taking the world on next level. And subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. I'll be doing another video about how you between Pixverse and Halil. I'll try to do some videos, then we'll see how cool, which one's better. I usually use Halil and Gemini. Okay, I'm also going to OpenCart. I'll discuss you why I actually use different AIs to do my videos because there's some differences actually in all these AIs. Okay, so see you later, and don't forget to subscribe and take care. Okay, bye bye.